Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane, and in this video we'll be talking about terms. Talking about the configuration of terms and the updating and creation of it. Now the function of doing this is actually the function of analysis admin. We are currently logged into analysis admin's account, and we're using this symbol button. We have access to the dashboard, which we're going to use for that. Now coming here, we have term. You can create term, you can choose term, institutional by a new term. We're approaching a new term, or we're approaching a new session. We can think of creating a term for that. Now when we click on this button, we'll be given the form which we're going to fill to create a new term. And another condition, we have this form, and let's say we want to create for a second term, and that will be the name. The position will be 2 because that is the second. The first term was always has a position of 1, second term has a position of 2, and third term position of 3. The section we want to create it for will be the 2017-2018 section, and this particular the resumption date for that second term will be somewhere in January 2018. It should be something like an 8 January 2018, and the vacation date will be somewhere in March, maybe on 30th March 2018. Then midterm break may start maybe on 2nd January, no, 2nd February, and the midterm break may end on February. We're having if we started on the 3rd February, this thought was wrong. We were talking about stopping at 8 and starting at 8 and stopping on 9. That is 2-day midterm break. While there is current, we are going to mark it not current for now. Then if we intend to make it a current term, what we are going to do is this: we are going to actually save it first and then look go and deactivate the current term and come back and edit this one to activate it as the current term. We save this. When we save this, we'll be given now I have been given information about what we actually created. The name of the term created is second term, position is 2. When we check this, we will find out that it conforms to what we intend to create. Now then we can go back to this. If it doesn't conform, we can edit that and go back to this, find out that we have a second term, 2017-2018 second term as one of the terms here. Now we can actually edit it if we want to do that and deactivate it if it wasn't done. If it wasn't done on purpose, you can actually download an Excel file for it that will have the detail of all the terms together in Excel file. Then at this juncture, we have come to the end of this tutorial, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. And make sure your school is signed up for more scholars. Goodbye.